好，嚟到第29條啦，係一條非常之直白嘅題目嚟嘅。咁我哋有兩款細胞啦，一款咧就係口腔上皮細胞同埋神經元即係神經細胞啦。咁呢啲啦，人類細胞，喂，樣又唔同，功能又唔同，係咪？咁而家啦，題目就話喂，以下邊一句咧係能夠正確咁解釋得到點解呢兩款細胞嘅外觀係咁唔同啦？咁下次都可以講下個功能有咩咁唔同啦，係咪？其實都係咁樣問法嘅啫嘛。咁呢條題目啦就考翻我哋有關於咧細胞分化 cell differentiation 嘅概念。咁啊借呢個機會啦，溫一溫翻書先啦。生長發育，生長就係指生物嘅體積啊、乾質量啊嘅一個永久性嘅增加，而生物啦係透過細胞分裂同埋細胞增大咧嚟生長嘅。咁呢一款嘅細胞分裂係邊款細胞分裂啊？就梗係有絲細胞分裂 mitotic cell division 啦，係咪？而發育就係指生物嘅形態嘅永久性改變，而身體嘅複雜性同時亦都會增加。咁即係話啦，我哋會多咗唔同類型嘅細胞喎，心臟細胞啊、神經細胞啊、上皮細胞啊，諸如此類啦。咁生物係透過細胞分化咧嚟發育嘅。咁我哋望翻呢幅圖啦，係嘛？由當初精卵結合變成我哋嘅合子 fertilized egg 或者受精卵啦，跟住啦由呢個合子就變胚胎啊，跟住變咗個胎喺胚胎啊，其實有啲幹細胞，佢哋就會變成不同類型嘅細胞，就做唔同類型嘅功能啦，係咪？而呢四個答案呢，我哋又望一望咯喎。啊，呢兩款細胞點解外觀唔同啊？因為佢哋有唔同嘅基因喎，因為佢哋基因表達唔同喎，因為佢哋擁有唔同嘅基因組喎，佢哋擁有唔同數量嘅染色體喎。嗱，呢四句説話呢，邊句啱邊句錯呢？最關鍵嘅概念就係在於口腔上皮細胞同神經元個基因根本係一模一樣 ，genetically identical。點解啊？因為佢哋都係由受精卵，即係合子啦，經過有絲細胞分裂所產生，而有絲細胞分裂所產生嘅細胞，佢哋就係 genetically identical。所以啦，佢哋個基因根本係一模一樣，佢哋嘅核型都係一模一樣。同樣有23對嘅染色體，就係23對嘅染色體。喺每一條嘅染色體上面嘅等位基因或者嗰啲基因嘅組合呢，亦都一定係一樣嘅。咁所以啦，第一句 say goodbye， 點會有唔同基因啫？基因一樣噶嘛？點會有唔同基因組啫？基因一樣噶嘛？點會有唔同數量嘅染色體啫？應該一樣噶嘛？係咪？唯獨啦，喺呢類型嘅身體細胞有啲咩係唔一樣啫？例如啦，紅血球咯。咁紅血球因為佢係冇細胞核，咪冇染色體冇 DNA 咁解啫嘛。咁啊呢啲咁特別嘅情況咪唔同咯。咁如果啦，你講一般嘅身體細胞，嗱呢兩類型都係屬於叫做咩啊？body cell 或者我哋講嘅 somatic cells 係咪？體細胞啦，佢哋嘅基因係一模一樣嘅，咁所以啦，佢哋就只係基因表達唔同啦。咁即係當佢哋去製造蛋白質嘅時候啊，做呢個 transcription 同埋 translation 轉錄轉譯嘅時候咧，嗰啲過程唔同咗啫嘛。係佢基因表達得唔同喎。咁呢款題目啦，有咩題型變奏呢？嗱，呢度咧有 A、B 兩條題目，亦都喺樓下1、2、3、4、5咧，你就揀嗰啲細胞啦。嗱，以下啦1、2、3、4、5咧，邊一啲嘅細胞佢哋係擁有胰島素嘅基因嘅，即係製造胰島素嘅基因。而以下啦，邊一啲嘅細胞佢係能夠製造到胰島素嘅？咁呢啲細胞啦，分別咧就係肌肉細胞、成熟嘅紅血球細胞、胰臟細胞、肝臟細胞同埋口水腺、唾腺嘅細胞。咁你見得到呢個題型變奏咧，可以話係一而貫之、同出一轍嘅。咁我喺留言區留低你嘅答案，睇下你嘅概念清唔清啦噃。Question 29 is a very straightforward question. It gives us two types of human cell. Chick cell and the neuron, that means the nerve cell. And then it asks that which of the following statement correctly explain the different appearance of these two types of cells. So for this question, it's checking us the concept about the cell differentiation. And I would like to grab this chance to talk about what are growth and development. Growth is an irreversible increase in the size and the dry mass of an organism. It's brought about cell division and cell enlargement. So which type of cell division is it? So it should be mitotic cell division, right? And then for the development, is an irreversible change in the form of the organism and the increase in the complexity. And it's about the type of the cells. We have the heart muscle cells, liver cells, brain cells, pancreatic cells, muscle cell, and so on. It's brought about by the differentiation of cells. So let's take a look at the answer. They have different copies of genes. They have different gene expression. They have different genome. They have different number of chromosomes. So for this question, the critical concept is that the chick cells are genetically to neurons because they are produced by the mitotic cell division from the zygote. So after fertilization, the fusion of egg and sperm, we have the fertilized egg, the zygote, and then the zygote will carry out mitotic cell division to develop into embryo and fetus. And inside the embryonic cell, there are stem cells, and they will differentiate into heart muscle cells, nerve cells, plasma cells, liver cells, muscle cells. You can see that what if these two types of cells, they are the body cells, or we call them somatic cells, if they are genetically identical. So we can say goodbye to option A, option C, and option D. How come they can have different copies of genes? How come they can have different genome or different number of chromosomes? We take a look at the karyotype. It means the number and the structure of the chromosome. So in a human being, 23 pairs of chromosomes. In every body cells, somatic cells, it must be the same. And in a particular chromosome, the genes, the allele they carry must also be the same. Therefore, it just depends on the gene expression. It means that the protein synthesis, let's say the transcription and the translation process. So which gene will be used to make the protein, to produce the amylase, to produce the insulin, to produce different type of hormone or enzyme as well, to make it have a different appearance and even different function. Not just the appearance, but also the function could be different from each other, right? So any possible question variation? So now you have 5 types of cells: muscle cell, red cell, pancreatic cells, liver cells, and the salivary gland. So which of the following cells contain the insulin gene? And which of the following cells can produce insulin? So leave your answer in the comment section and let's see your concept is clear or not.